Well, this is about using RachelPI. If you have a Raspberry Pi, you can download the contents of OER from RachelPI site, and you can download the whole OER contents down to the SD memory card here. And after that, you can just plug in everything and run it, and you will be able to check. This is RachelPI, and you will be able to check because this is connected to. Okay, let me try to connect this with. You can do it either with Wi-Fi, or we can use it for LAN, Ethernet. Either way, for now, I had to fail to set up the Wi-Fi dongle here, but I'll just use the local network here. So this Arduino, as you can see from here, if you check the current status of we'll be able to find that the current Ethernet address, the local address is 192.168.219.114. So this is address that this Raspberry Pi connected to the local network. And with that, probably you can connect it to this address here, and you will be able to find the RachelPI service. So actually this content is from the Raspberry Pi, which is connected to the local network of the system. So here you can view many different kind of content, OER contents. You can see some storybook and window applications and Khan Academy Lite. So here, if you like to go to some mathematical things, if you go there, probably you can watch the individual contents. You can even provide the quizzes as a component in RachelPI, Khan Academy, and some of them are video, so you can check the
Let's
video.
learn about it. You're going to. An analogy is just when you kind of use something as an well.
Good thing about this is that you can carry all the OER contents with you as for your intranet, or you can either put all this OER downloaded from RachelPI, and you can copy it to the web server or your personal PC, and it can be a good hosting OER hosting service for the local intranet. There are so many valuable information here. What I like about this special OER is the Gutenberg project, which you can go there and find out many good classical literature of English. So you go down there, and there are many books you can take a look at, and this is really good content you can access using this RachelPI service.